18 years. Okay, good. How should we reduce our carbon dioxide in the next 50 years? We have to reduce it so much. How can we do it? So, all right. We're going to start the inside circle. We'll talk. Everyone else is taking notes. And I'm going to write down over here. Remember, the things that you get points for are like examples: providing strong evidence, paraphrasing someone else. You should have, everyone in the middle, I see you have your blue papers ready. That's good. There are sentence frames, right? So you can get extra points if you use some of the sentence frames. You should be asking clarifying questions. Like, I don't understand, can you explain what you mean? Saying, you acknowledge other people's ideas.
What's the first name?
You ask probing questions. So the first one is providing strong evidence for a claim, like showing reasons. I'll make this a little bit easier to see by making it bigger. And then Mr. Marcel is going to move the arrow over here when different people talk. So you, everyone on the outside, can see who is talking. Okay, so almost ready for this. And it's kind of hard to read because it's so small, so I'm going to make it bigger. I'm going to make these ones bigger here. Easier to read. Okay, so I think we are ready to start. So, let's see. Okay, so Emma, are you ready? Okay, good. So everyone else, can you give your attention? And Class J Global Energy Summit is beginning.
The solutions are usually make it transport more efficient, produce number and cars, or make it cars more social efficient.
One other solution can be the solar energy because it's less expensive.
Oh, sorry, I forgot to say one more important thing is you can read your idea, but the best is to listen to someone else and respond, not just go around in a circle and read your idea, right? So remember to respond, listen to someone else and respond, reply to their idea back and forth, like it's more like a conversation. Okay, sorry to interrupt you. Continue.
Here, as a question, to fix the global warming problem is how should we reduce our carbon output by 7 billion tons a year in the next 50 years? And the solution is we should change the energy use in each country. Any idea?
By how?
By what kind of?
I think we should use some energy to replace the oil or natural gas.
But you are in South Korea, right? Who are you?
Where you come from?
I'm from
Canada?
South Korea?
Canada.
Can you explain your 3 solutions for your country?
Which one for my country? Okay. I think the one solution is hydropower
What else?
and wind power. Nuclear energy.
I have a question. Are there a lot of rivers in South Korea?
Yeah, my country has a lot of rivers. We can use the hydropower energy because my country has a lot of energy. The water is free. We can obtain the water very easy.
specific number of rivers that are in like.
I have a question for Canada. I heard you said that reduced oil is a solution, but as you know, Canada is the most oil user in the world, right?
Not most. China is the most.
China is not.
China is United States.
China.
No, he talking about oil, not
Oil.
about
Oil.
CO2 emission.
Oil.
So how do you fix it or reduce it?
Just skip this question.
Okay.
I will tell you later.
Okay. See, Iceland. Can you tell me your solution of reducing 7 billion ton of carbon?
In my opinion, the best solution is to use the hydropower. And in my country, they have a lot of hydropower to use. About the 82% is 82% is used the hydropower. So I think the hydropower is the best solution.
What are 2 other solutions?
The geothermal and wind energy.
Wind energy. Thank you. Yeah.
With Brazil.
The 3 solutions for Brazil are forest storage, increase the hydropower, and increase the nuclear power also. Yeah. But
Can you give us some evidence why you chose that solution?
hydropower, we use like 80% of the energy. So if we increase, we can have like 100%. But using hydropower, we use like 4% of nuclear power. If we increase, we are not going to use oil and coal to produce energy. And the third one, forest storage, is because some people in Brazil is cutting trees, but in Brazil, cutting trees is illegal.
How do you if this is illegal?
Because that's one of the big law in Brazil.
So what are some advantages of
Well, as we know, some people use trees like in the rural area, they use trees like to make fire. So like for their for their house.
what is going on?
I don't understand that.
Is there a question how to protect the forest?
Like, well, he said that some people is cutting the
Cutting trees is illegal.
illegal. But as we know, like some people use the trees like to make fire, like for their houses.
Oh, biomass?
Yeah, man.
They get
Did they cut real or?
No, they are cutting a lot, but
Yeah, they have a lot of
No. He talking about like some crime who come and then chop trees illegally and they sell to other countries to build house and then making paper.
yeah.
They make illegal money, black money.
Okay, about Australia, they use coal, oil, and environment pollution. And their solution are bioenergy, solar energy, and wind energy. And Australia is a rich country. The first solution I think is renewable. Yeah, because they got a lot of energy. And about
Yes. What was the last solution that you said beside wind and solar energy?
bioenergy.
What do you biomass in Australia?
Oil.
Well, you said biomass and you burn in trees, right? For energy. So why do you use it? Because I'm trying to be mean.
But I don't know your question.
You want to skip it like Zero?
Okay. Sing me another question. Okay. I don't know how to say that.
Okay, move on.
Okay.
Okay, I'll present my, wait, let me take my paper. Okay, my 3 solutions for Nepal are hydropower, because Nepal have a lot of rivers, more than 6,000 rivers throughout the countries, and solar energy, because they have about 300 days of sun in each year, and forestation. They have a lot of land that can potentially plant more tree and then do photosynthesize all the carbon dioxide that China release, like other countries release to the environment. So that's my 3 solutions.
So you say your 3 solutions. Can you tell me what kind of energy you do right now to produce energy?
In Nepal right now?
Yeah.
Basically Nepal doesn't produce a lot of carbon dioxide.
Oh.
They doesn't produce a lot because they have no services. They're very poor. They don't have like a lot of companies and stuff like that. They basically focus on agriculturing, which is like planting trees for like China.
What do you think that your Nepal need for to get less the CO2?
What do we need?
Yeah.
We need Australia.
What do you think that they need for?
Free buy.
We need Australia to stop releasing CO2.
I don't know, but what do you think?
That's what I think.
Oh.
Okay. I think Nepal they use wind energy.
Why don't I think you wind energy?
Because they have a lot of water and the climate produce a lot of wind, a lot of air.
You say the climate
Yeah.
produce a lot of wind.
Produce a lot of wind?
Yeah.
No.
Why not?
Untrue.
So how can your country solve this problem?
Okay. Wait. I forgot to say this thing. Nepal, like 60% of the population in Nepal doesn't have electricity access to their house. So that was up. So basically, let's keep that one.
So they live in the 1800s.
What?
So they live in the 1800s.
1800s. Oh, you live in there? No. Because we so poor, so we cannot we don't have a lot of money to build dams for the river to create hydropower, and we don't have money to buy a panel or solar energy. So we difficultly survive.
Okay.
About Venezuela. Yeah.
Okay.
But your solution for your country.
The solution from the country.
Yeah.
One energy and storage. Forest storage. Why forest storage? Because we make a lot of oil, like we sell for other countries, like for USA, and we only need this one energy because in my country there is a lot of mountains that can create a lot of energy, a lot of wine.
Can I?
So
Oh, French.
French, right? Not French. I'm not French. French, right up there. I'm not French.
French.
I'm Chinese. Relax, okay. My country is used mostly as a used 17% about the nuclear energy, and about 14% is the hydropower, and about 1% is renewable energy.
So what is your solution for
Our country is trying their best to build more renewable energy to support some house electricity.
Which how to build the renewable energy? Which one, basically?
Like
One at a time.
How do you build? Renewable energy.
I think they put many money to support the higher education student to develop the renewable energy. Look at that wind energy, the solar energy, and hydropower.
Is that all the renewable energy you can use in the country?
They try their best. I hope so.
Okay, which renewable energy does your country use right now?
They use solar energy, hydropower, and then the geothermal. Sorry about it.
So you're saying that your country doesn't produce any carbon dioxide?
No, they use they use about 8% is for the fossil fuel about the car. They
So
use
they don't release a lot of carbon dioxide.
Yeah.
We have about 5 more minutes.
Huh?
5 more minutes.
So
About Singapore.
Excuse me.
About
About my country, I have 3 options. The solar energy, and the hydropower, and the... How do you read this?
Nuclear energy. What was it?
Geothermal energy.
Read this.
Geothermal energy.
I think that the best option for my country is solar energy, because for me it's not too expensive and we can use it.
How much you need to pay for obtain this energy?
I don't know, but I don't know really.
Okay, we speak, how about China? That is the most country that is producing a lot of CO2. What is your solution?
The three solution I found was the hydro electricity, and reduce the use of fossil fuel, because as we know, China is the most CO2 producer in the world. So I think reducing the fossil fuel is the best way to reduce CO2.
How to reduce?
Reduce oil, reduce
You know that China use like 72% of coal to produce energy. So how can you change that?
We can ask other countries to help. Like I can ask Iceland, because their energy was kind of clean. So I can ask them for help rather than using the fossil fuel in my country.
I hear China is nuclear country. Why China don't use nuclear energy to replace the oil and coal?
course, I think nuclear is kind of dangerous, and there are 1.3 billion people in China, so I think nuclear is not that
So
kind of.
why they use nuclear to little bit? Just more dangerous.
That's not only China.
But I'm talking China now.
But also don't
Why
forget
don't
that
use
USA
nuclear energy?
USA also use nuclear
Yeah.
energy.
Then you can deploy USA.
Both of them.
Both of them.
Not only China.
USA and China, they are the most.
Okay, so right now the topic people we're not talking about nuclear bomb right now.
Huh?
But see, the
So
most
we're talking
interesting.
about solution of
Yeah, this is the solution. Why don't you use nuclear energy to replace oil and coal?
Because it's too
Because it's too
expensive.
dangerous and it's too
It's
dangerous.
It's dangerous and expensive.
It's dangerous, then why the weapon is dangerous, more dangerous.
We ran out of topic already.
Yeah,
Then
that's right.
this is not a solution.
We are talking about energy, not the weapon.
No weapon, no weapon, no weapon.
yeah, we are talking about
Let's move
solution.
on. How about Netherlands? What are your three solutions for the world to fix the global warming?
Countries Netherlands have three solutions that have more clean energy with reduce carbon dioxide. The solution is for them to make energy for more hydropower energy. The solution push my solar energy and increase production of valuable energy.
Okay, so you say your country, the solution for your country is diamond, right?
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
Biogas?
biogas.
so your country has a lot of trees or something? So your country has a lot of trees? How you are going to use that kind of energy?
It's important in wind because have agriculture is important
About Iceland. What are the three solutions for the country?
She said
So,
already.
Oh, you're right. Oh.
Yes.
She said no. Okay, Iceland.
About USA?
You say
Oh,
food?
yeah.
Yeah.
He's ready.
She said it already. She said conservation.
So the people, so the people in your country is away, in USA is away to reduce the, no, the conservation of transportation.
In my opinion, we don't have to focus in just one country, just because they have more money or more potential, whatever. Everyone can change their solutions to.
Just take a step up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Step up and step back.
But as we know,
And also
some
you
countries,
can ask for help,
but as we know,
to
some
the rich,
countries,
to the rich countries.
so your country is Brazil, right?
Yeah.
It's more rich than Nepal, so you're gonna help Nepal?
Yeah, if they ask, why not? If we are together right now, just for discussing how can we stop the pollution of carbon dioxide and to say the word. Yeah, of course, we can help.
Yeah, you have the Eagle River in Brazil. You
yeah.
can produce a lot of energy. You can sell to
I
other
do.
countries. if you want.
Hydropower is like
Yeah.
80%, that's what I said. But like I say, forest storage is it's not very expensive, so I think every country can do it.
Yeah.
It's cheaper to do it. So, yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys very much. We don't have time for more in the inner circle. Inner circle, you might have more ideas, but just keep quiet for now because the outer circle now is going to report back they're going to tell us what they saw in the conversation. So, can we start with Jirong? If you were in, Calvin, if you were inside the circle, what would you say?
Like the energy, like they just said, their country are able and have good conduction to build their energy.
Okay. Let's hear from Jocelyn. Can you tell us who was talking? How many times did they talk? Who talked the most?
One.
Can you tell us all of the information that you learned? Right. Can you write down who was talking?
Yeah.
Can you tell us the answers? How many times did they talk?
160. Yeah. 16. Same. 14. Kevin 7. And Roberto 13.
Okay, we're going to leave it at that because we don't have time to hear all of them. Thank you, though. So, from Daniela Arce, if you were in the circle, what would you say?
I would say that the countries that contaminate the most should change their energy policy, like China and the US.
Okay, interesting. Let's hear from the process checker, Mario. How did the conversation go? What did you think of the process?
They are just one people talking at the same time. Like when one people share the idea and the other people is keep quiet.
And that's good?
Yeah, that's good. And the weakness is not everyone share their idea and solution. Have some of them just ask questions. Yeah.
Okay, the reporter for our conversation today is Yan Lu. Yan Lu, can you tell us about the main ideas they came to agreement about?
Some of them they use the renewable energy to replace the fossil fuel, and some of them say to plant more trees in the country. Some of them is to build some renewable energy equipment.
Panda, can we hear from you? You were a free choice tallier. That means you could choose to look at whatever you wanted, how many times people talk in different ways. Can you tell us, what did you look at?
Look at for the boys and the girls, the times for their talking.
And what did you find? The girls or boys talk more?
The boys talk more than the girls because they're
That's true. Okay. Outside circle, 9th and 10th graders. Does anyone have a question or a comment, some idea that you are thinking about, or some question you're thinking you want to tell the group in the middle, or ask the group in the middle? You guys on the outside.
Oh.
You have some ideas or some questions?
No.
Yeah.
I can share something I learned. So I learned something that Nepal has 6,000 rivers.
Thank you. So specific.
That's good.
It's so funny, guys.
That's great. That is great. It's nice.
They also use hydropower and photosynthesis. Yeah, that's all.
During they're discussing most of them talking about the solutions is all about the energies. So I want to ask do you have another different kind of solution that you like fixes the problem?
Like in my country, I choose 3, but I have more. So we can say that first, the last one was to conservation. Conservation transportation. It was to increase the transportation in the country, the system, like to increase more buses, and people cannot use like the cars to produce too much carbon dioxide. Yeah.
We also have.
Was it a debate? So can I ask a question? What are you guys trying to find like solution? How to prevent global warming?
Yeah.
Or trying to fight with each other?
No, we try to try to convince other that solution is the best for the whole entire world.
Oh, alright.
So that's why we're fighting.
So the problem that your country has is mostly similar to other countries, right?
No, each country has different problems. Like, for example, in Nepal, you know in Nepal, they have a lot of mountains that covered by ice, and then because the temperature goes hotter, so then the ice melt and then make flood in Nepal. So
it makes flood or not?
Like make flood.
Yeah. So is that good or bad?
Bad. Flood like a lot of water like go over your house.
Yeah, I know.
That's good. You get swim in your house.
Bad for government.
Yeah, that's bad.
I have a question. Yeah. So in the inside circle, I was waiting for some of the smaller countries, like maybe Singapore, Netherlands, South Korea, Nepal. I was waiting for you guys to point fingers at China and USA and say, you guys use so much energy and you put so much CO2 in the atmosphere. What you guys need to change, right?
We're about to say, but we ran out of time, sir.
We ran out of time. Right now, USA and China do the most right, but they don't start industrialization. Industrialization starts in start with Germany, England. They start industrialization. So if you focus who will start industrialization, who will start to do carbon dioxide to the atmosphere was those countries. So you have to blame those countries first. That's my point of view.
All right. So 9th and 10th graders, you will give your yellow paper to Mr. Marcel. In the outside circle, please give me your white papers. And then the bell is going to ring and we're going to change. Class A, stay inside here.
All right.
Inside circle, outside circle, switch.
Yes, sir. That guy's not here.